If you want to turn off Do Not Disturb on your iPhone, or you want to prevent it from just automatically turning on at some random point every single day, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Now, the first thing we're going to do is hop out of here and open up the Settings app on your iPhone. From the Settings app, scroll down and tap on Focus midway down. Now, on here, you'll be able to see Do Not Disturb at the top here. If it says On right next to it, that means Do Not Disturb is currently on. However, if you tap on it, for whatever reason, Apple just decided not to have a button to turn off Do Not Disturb in here. I'll show you how to turn it off, but I would recommend going down and going to this schedule here. So I have a Do Not Disturb scheduled to turn on at 10 p.m. and turn off at 7 a.m. essentially while I'm sleeping. However, if you don't like this and you find that Do Not Disturb automatically turns on, all you need to do is either hit delete schedule or just toggle it off at the top and it won't automatically turn on. Now I'm going to show you two different ways to turn Do Not Disturb off. Let's swipe down from the top right and you'll see I'm on YouTube focus mode, but if I press on it, you can see there's Do Not Disturb. So if you have Do Not Disturb selected, it'll look like this. You just tap on it to turn Do Not Disturb off. I'm going to switch back to my YouTube focus just for this. However, another way to turn off Do Not Disturb is just to ask Siri. So you could press and hold the side button, turn off Do Not Disturb. Nope. Turn off Do Not Disturb.
Do Not Disturb is already turned off.
And just like that, it will go through the process of disabling that Do Not Disturb if you don't want it anymore. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.